Right. I mean, I would say the thing I didn't touch on is the relocation, and it's super crucial. You know, it's not uncommon for companies to move their headquarters or move part of their executive team, or when a team is acquired, when a company's acquired, they move a group of those people to wherever it was acquired. And so these are things that the relocation can be really valuable for people who know that, let's say, Amazon was, moved over to Virginia. Well, if you could capture this early, and kind of the key people that would be moving there, you could actually reach out to them to help them purchase homes. So, and it works the same way if they're having to leave California or wherever else. We can reach out to them and say, look, if you're going to be relocating, you're either going to be renting or selling, or one of the two typically. How can we help?